morning. This is Debbie with Food Prepping channel, and this morning I'm coming on here to show y'all something really simple. I'm gonna make egg, bacon, tomato, mayonnaise, and cheese if Ashley wants it, but I don't want cheese on mine. I don't really like cheese. So, but I'm going to fix eggs, bacon, and tomato sandwiches. Biscuits. I've got the biscuits in the oven already. They're on 350, I think. And right now, I'm going to fix some eggs. I'm going to use these little things. Like, it would be like a Egg McMuffin or whatever. I haven't used these but one time, and I can't remember if they worked or not. So it's been a long time since I used them. And I'm getting out some bacon grease to cook my eggs with in here. I don't know how much I need, whatever. I don't usually keep my bacon grease, but I decided to do it this time. And I'm using, for the bacon on this, I'm using the already cooked, the ones you have to put in the microwave. But I'm going to go on, and this is not plugged in. All right, y'all, let me get more, I'm discombobulated this morning. Let me get combobulated, and I'll come back. Okay, y'all. All right, so I've got my new wave plugged in. And hopefully I'm going to be a little bit better bobulated, whatever the word is. But I have got the bacon here. I've got it on a paper plate with paper towels. And this is the bacon that I'm using. It's Great Value, naturally hickory smoked, fully cooked bacon. And it says on here, microwave on high for 5 to 10 seconds or 10 to 15 seconds for crispness. So that's per slice. So I'm not sure how. I'm just going to put this in the microwave for a minute and do it at a minute at a time. And I will bring y'all back when I get ready to do the eggs. Okay, I'm back. All right, the bacon's in the microwave, and I'm going to try these eggs. I'm going to put these little things in here. And then I'm going to put the eggs in and hope that they work. We're going to see. I've got 18. I've got large eggs. I'm just going to open it up, put it in there. And I want to crack the yellow. Or bust the yellow, or whatever you call it. Working too good, y'all. Maybe I'm not doing it right. I worked at McDonald's when I was 16 years old in Martinsville, and all they did was just put the egg in the middle there. All right, let me get this out. Shoot, I can do better for fried eggs myself than with this thing. Maybe that's why I never have used these. Alright, y'all. There's the eggs. They didn't do the way I wanted them to, but they're alright. Alright, I gotta cut up the tomatoes, get the bacon, mayonnaise, all this, get the biscuits out, and I'll bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so actually let the biscuits get a little brown. She thought they were still doughy, and they weren't. But it'll be alright. Be alright. Alright, so, y'all know I don't like cheese on mine. But I do like lots of mayonnaise. So I've got Duke's mayonnaise that I'm putting on my biscuit. Bicket. That's what my kids used to call it. One of my kids used to call it a bicket. Alright. Alright, now where's that?
I just moved though.
Okay. I was getting ready to get a fork and it had something on it, and I thought, oh my gosh. But it was just where she had moved the biscuits. Okay, now I've got, there's the eggs. See, I can make mine just as good as that thing can. Sometimes mine are just bigger. Like this is a big one. Alright, so there's the egg on there. And then here's the tomato. Yum, yum. And of course I have to have salt and pepper on my tomatoes. And then here's the bacon. I'm going to put 2 pieces of bacon on each biscuit. And I fixed a lot of biscuits and a lot of eggs because I'm going to freeze some of these. So we'll have them, I'll have them for breakfast or whatever. All right, now let me put some pepper on this one. What did you? Tomato. Let me put my top on there. Look, y'all. All right, so let's see what this tastes like. That is so good. Somebody's texting me. Let me bring you back. Okay. I'm back. It always happens when I'm making a movie or whatever. Somebody decides that they want to talk to me, and I get so aggravated. All right, so here's my biscuit. I'm going to take another bite because the first bite was, like, disturbed. You know, this is really probably the first time in my life that I've made egg, bacon, and tomato biscuits. I've made egg, bacon, and tomato sandwiches, but I don't think I've ever made biscuits before. Well, that's weird, because I don't really get, like, at any of the restaurants or whatever, I don't really ever get egg and something biscuits, egg and bacon or egg and sausage or whatever. I don't really get that. I'm like a sausage gravy person, or just eggs and jelly, or biscuits and jelly or whatever. Really, that is weird. I've never really thought about it, but I have not. But I had to use these biscuits and the eggs, so I decided to go on and make one of these, and they're not so bad. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also there'll be links below to things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase through Amazon. So you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.